Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Alevia Amla Wellness Supplement. So you might be wondering what is Amla here and how to exactly use it. So Alevia Amla here is a capsule supplement made with standardized Amla extract. Now they do specifically mention that in here. Now the company here markets it mainly for cellular mitochondrial support with additional claims around energy, metabolism, joint comfort, and overall balance. Now, it contains a single ingredient here, which Olivia describes as 100% pure amla extract with no fillers or blends. Now, what does it actually offer? Now, according to the website here, Olivia here says the amla extract supports healthy cellular energy and energy production, natural metabolic processes, joint comfort, and steady energy throughout the day. Now, the company here promotes it for mental clarity, and healthy aging. Now, Olivia says the product is made in the USA and third party tested for purity. Now, you could see that claim in their website in the not how is this is this a natural formula, and in the description section whereas they do mention it's made in the USA and third party tested for purity here. Now, in this case, the company here describes its effects as something that builds gradually with consistent use. Now, the website mentions possible changes in areas such as sleep quality, digestive comfort, mental clarity, and everyday energy over several weeks, like what we saw before here with week 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 8, and 9 to 12 descriptions according to the product itself or according to their website. Now, these are companies' claim or the website's claims here, and individual results may vary. Now, how do you exactly take AMLA here? Now, according to their website or in the how do I take section in their website, well, the instructions are quite simple. You take 2 capsules daily with water, ideally in the morning, and the company recommends taking it consistently as part of your daily routine. Now, as for the pricing itself, the website currently lists one bottle at around $39.99. Three bottles are around $79.99. 5 bottles for $119.99. But pricing may change depending on which country you're actually purchasing this product from. Now, according to them, it includes free shipping or free US shipping, and the company offers a 90-day money back guarantee, as you can see right now. Now, if you are interested with this product here, and because it's a dietary supplement, Olivia recommends consulting a healthcare provider before starting it, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have a medical condition. Now, you might be wondering where they do they actually mention that? They do mention that at the very bottom here, as you can see. They mention consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, and taking medications. And also, maybe reading reviews outside the website would actually be helpful for you just to determine if this product is actually right for you. But that's about it. If you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.